Leopards, often recognized by their distinctive spotted coat, are one of the most adaptable big cats in the world. First, let's talk about their appearance. A leopard's coat is a beautiful mosaic of rosettes, circles, and streaks that act as camouflage in the grass and trees. Each leopard's pattern is unique, much like a fingerprint. Leopards are solitary creatures, preferring to roam the savannas, forests, and mountains of Africa and Asia. They are excellent climbers, often resting in trees to avoid other predators. Now, let's dive into their hunting strategies. Leopards are stealthy hunters, using their powerful legs to pounce on prey from trees or the ground. They have a special adaptation called a dentary fossa that helps them crush the bones of their prey. Leopards are known for their impressive hunting record. They can take down prey 3 times their size, including antelope, gazelle, and even young elephants. Leopards play a crucial role in their ecosystems by controlling the population of other animals. By removing sick or weak prey, they help maintain a balance in the ecosystem. However, leopards are facing threats from habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. They are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, meaning they are at risk of extinction in the wild. But there's hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these beautiful spotted cats. Through habitat restoration, anti-poaching initiatives, and public education, organizations are working hard to ensure the survival of leopards for future generations. So, the next time you spot a leopard, remember, you're looking at one of the most adaptable and powerful predators on the planet. Let's help keep them around for years to come.